Hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm going to be making the Aviation. The Aviation is a pre-Prohibition cocktail. It became popular in 1916 and it was supposed to mimic the horizon sky from the plane. So let's get into it. So we're going to take our small coupe right here and we're going to work from small to big. So we're going to take our crème de violette liqueur. We're going to do a quarter of that. We're gonna do 3/4 of lemon juice. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of maraschino liqueur, which is a cherry liqueur. And we're gonna go 2 ounces of gin. This is a very popular drink among the ladies. It's very pretty, it's very luxurious, it's silky, it's smooth, it's all of those things in one. And so we're gonna fill this up with ice. And we're gonna go small to big. Always go small to big. Secure that, and then we're gonna shake. You're gonna make sure you definitely want to shake and emulsify all those ingredients. And we've got a coupe glass right here for you. And see how it has that nice, beautiful purple color to it? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna garnish it with a Luxardo cherry. You don't want to use a brandy cherry. Those are going to be better with the darker spirits. Here we go. And enjoy. Thanks for hanging out with us here at LV Bartenders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe, and ring that bell button so you don't miss any future cocktail tips and industry insights, clues, tricks, all of that. Until next time, drink smart. Stay creative, and we'll see you behind the bar.